So let's talk a little bit like with Codeium. I have asked Codeium what it has learned last, and it says uh, includes many stuff, uh, and it tells me some about notable features in Java 17, and it tells me about seed classes and always strict floating point schemas, pseudo-random number generators. So maybe let's ask about seed classes. Okay, please tell me about seed classes then. So then Codeium could teach a little bit. Usually it's pretty nice what Codeium tells. Um, New features in Java 17, and it says that use final keyword to prevent a class from being subclassed. Ah yeah, that's nice. However, this way was all or nothing approach, and you couldn't allow certain subclasses by brand. Okay, let's please read public seed class shape permit circle. Ah, that's easy to understand. So circle, rectangle, and triangle are allowed to inherit from get from shape. uh, what's the word? What's the word German Erben in English? Is it herit or something? I think it should be to inherit. Yeah, inherit. To inherit. So these classes can inherit, for example, sorry, enemy permits zombie, vampire, new wolf, inherit from enemy. So that's very useful. So that's easy to understand. So this is seed classes with some feature for permits only for some. And it's public final here. So final is not allow inherit. So it's final, so nobody can inherit anymore, and it gets content from enemy and adds some stuff. Okay, this is a nice feature. I forgot it, or I'm not was sure. Okay, what's restore always strict floating point semantics? A change to the way floating point operation are performed to make them more predictable and consistent. A change to the way floating point operatings are performed. Oh, let's ask about this. Okay, Codeium, tell me about okay. Future aims to improve the predictable and consistent floating point. Okay, what's the issue? Yeah, floating point operations, float and double, yeah, are governed in the blah 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 floating standard EA 754. Okay. However, the Java virtual machine has traditionally allowed for some flexibility in how those versions are performed, which can inconsistencies and unexpected results. That looks not good. Problem with strict versus non-strict. Two modes. Strict and non-strict. In strict mode, the virtual machine follows the standard closely, which ensure predictable. Okay, that's good. Strict is good. However, this mode can be slower. Okay, that's not good. Due to the additional overhead of strict adherence to the standard. Okay, in non-strict mode, allows optimizing, which leads to faster and not so good results. Okay, what's the help done? Always strict approach. Okay. Restore always strict floating point semantics, which ensure that all floating point operations are performed in strict by default. This approach provides several benefits. Predictable. Floating point operations will always produce the same result. Okay. Now I understand. So default is then always strict. Consistently. That looks like a good idea. Picked on example. Public class floating point example. This looks a little bit weird. Public static word. Saying the result of epsilon may vary depending on whether with the restore always strict floating point semantics feature, the result epsilon will always be not a number. Ensure predictable and consistent behavior. Okay. It's a little bit. That's enough for the moment. To this feature. Check the other one. Could I go for the first? Okay, position 5. Okay, that's all everything that I have wrote over a long time. So go for pseudo-random number generator. And hence new API for generating pseudo-random number that are more secure and efficient. More secure sounds good. Okay. Tell me more. Tell me more of enhanced Java random generator. What's new? Improved performance. That's good. New are designed to be faster. That's very good. Efficient and exciting Java OT random class. Better security. The new are designed to be more secure. Resistant attack maintenance suitable. Cryptographic. Increased. Okay, it's good. New algorithm. Okay. Okay. So that's maybe a good thing. Should be a good thing. Okay, nice. Now, how long we recording? Recording about 9 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes will be a good end of a very short good morning video. And Codeium, how we could name and describe our what we have learned. What we have now learned in our chat with you in a YouTube video description. And what title? Maybe it remembers what I have asked before for today, and then it generates all the stuff. Based on the conversion, here are some suggestions for the YouTube video and title. Ah, what's new in? Okay, that's interesting. Maybe I should change it a little bit, but this name is pretty nice. Let's go and upload it, and have fun. Bye bye.